Hi, my name is Shelby Wigger, and I am your daughter's AP Calculus teacher this year. This will be my 4th year teaching AP Calculus. Here is our Blackboard page. So as soon as you open up the Blackboard page, the calendar will populate. So all due dates for any homework assignments or assessments will be populated into the calendar, and I like to give them plenty of time. I even have my Unit 1 test. We hope to have September 18th. If not, it'll definitely be around that date, whether we get ahead or behind. It'll be around that date just for planning purposes. They can keep up there. So Blackboard Collaborate Ultra is where we will meet if we are online, or if a student is sick, not in the building, but well enough to participate in class. That's where she will log in. The course overview has some general information about this class. So our week starts on Tuesday, that's our first class, and it ends the following Monday by midnight. So that's when the homework's due, is the following Monday by midnight. Most assessments will be on Fridays. The link to our syllabus. This is a dual credit class through Mount St. Joe, so they got the information sent to them sometime last week about that. There is a course description, other policies in here, and course topics that you're welcome to look through. Our school grading scale is on there as well. So there's a short bio about me here. Most importantly, here's my email and the times that I'm available to help. So I'm at school by 7:30 every day in the mornings. I'm also free CNF bells. If your daughter happens to be free that bell, one of those bells, and needs help, I am available. Content is where I will load all of our work. So websites and logins are the sites we will use for homework, online book, those different things. They've been logging in and writing down their username and password this week. So Unit 1 is what we've started so far. The guided notes are linked here, and then I will show you that these say that the practice problems are on OneNote. We will do all the work in our OneNote class notebook. So I'll open that and show that to you. So the benefit of using the class notebook is that whenever they complete their work here, they don't have to turn it in anywhere else. I can just check their notebooks here, and I can, without them having to upload back and forth between here and Blackboard, I will go ahead and distribute worksheets and notes to them so that all they have to do is get into their notebook and they can do the work. It's also helpful if they're out of class to check the class notebook to see what we did that day, because they can keep up with what we did that day, what notes we took, etc., that they might have missed. My expectations for this class are that your daughter have a working calculator, her tablet and stylus every day when she comes to class, to keep up with the homework. At this point, you don't usually get to AP Calculus if you're not a student that keeps up with their homework, so I don't usually have a problem with that in this class. To come prepared and to communicate with me if they happen to be out of class for any reason. Like I said, the best way to reach me is through email, so feel free to reach out with any questions. I usually do have quite a few questions about dual credit versus AP, so I'll give you a little spiel about that now. I do believe that the dual credit is easier to receive. The one thing you want to check into is that the school that your daughter is going to, the college or university, you want to make sure that they accept Mount St. Joe's Calculus 1 credit. So the credit actually is a transfer from Mount St. Joe for Calculus 1. The AP exam, I will say the first 2 years I had a great pass rate. And this last year was, a little disheartening, but the test was so different. And honestly, we didn't know how to prepare for it. So I'm confident in your daughter's ability to pass the AP exam, and myself in teaching the content that they need to know to pass the AP exam. I just can't back that up with the 2020 results. So hopefully the 2021 test will look more similar to a normal AP exam. But they do have to decide by September for the dual credit and sometime in October for the AP exam. Some students did both. That's just kind of totally up to you. Most would do one or the other. So if you have any other questions about that, please reach out, send me an email. I'll get back to you within a day or two.